Have you ever wondered if the secret to a better memory could be growing in your garden? We're talking about rosemary, that fragrant herb you probably have in your kitchen right now. But can it really help our brains stay sharp and even fight off diseases like Alzheimer's? Let's dive into what science says. Rosemary is packed with powerful compounds, and two in particular, 1,8-cyanidol and rosmarinic acid, are getting a lot of attention from researchers. The idea isn't new. Ancient scholars often wore rosemary wreaths to help with their memory. Today, some small studies have shown that just the aroma of rosemary can improve alertness and memory. In one fascinating study, participants in a room diffused with rosemary essential oil performed better on certain memory tasks. It's a tantalizing clue, but when it comes to preventing a complex condition like Alzheimer's, the evidence is still very early and limited. We need much larger, more rigorous human trials before we can make any big claims. So, how might this herb actually work its magic in our brains? Scientists are exploring a few key pathways. First, rosemary is a powerful antioxidant. Our brains are highly susceptible to oxidative stress, a kind of cellular damage that contributes to aging and neurodegenerative diseases. The compounds in rosemary might help protect our brain cells from this damage. Second, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is another major culprit in cognitive decline, and rosemary could help calm this process down. Finally, some research suggests rosemary may act as a cholinesterase inhibitor. That's a bit of a mouthful, but it is the same mechanism used by some current Alzheimer's medications to help increase levels of a key neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. It's an exciting possibility, but again, these effects have mostly been observed in lab studies, not yet proven in large-scale human trials for Alzheimer's prevention. So, should you start adding rosemary to everything? Using rosemary in your cooking is perfectly safe and a delicious way to enjoy its potential benefits. A sprinkle on your roasted potatoes or chicken adds flavor and a dose of those helpful compounds. However, be cautious with high-dose supplements and essential oils, which can be toxic if ingested or used improperly. It is absolutely crucial to remember that rosemary is not a cure or a substitute for medical treatment for memory loss or Alzheimer's. If you have concerns about your memory, the most important step is to talk to a healthcare professional. They can provide a proper diagnosis and guide you on proven strategies and treatments. In the end, while rosemary shows some exciting promise for brain health, it's not a magic bullet. Think of it as one potential piece of a much larger puzzle that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, social engagement, and getting enough sleep. More research is definitely needed, but in the meantime, enjoying this wonderful herb as part of a balanced lifestyle is a great and tasty step to take. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness content. See you next time.